Hey dreamers, these are the supplies you will need to start your lobster clasp bracelet. So you'll need some pliers, some bead cutters, some glass beads. These are crimped beads right there. And I already said the elastic string, a lobster clasp, a bead needle. And we're going to get right into it. All right, dreamers. So we have our elastic string on our bead needle, and we're going to start beading these glass beads onto the elastic string. We're going to do a few here in the beginning, and once we get those few, like 4 or 5, onto the elastic string, we're going to add our flower bead. And once we add our flower bead, we're going to continue adding the other glass beads right behind. Now, once we add those glass beads after the flower, you see how it's uneven. We're going to take our bead needle off that side, and we're going to go to the other side of the bracelet and start adding the rest of the glass beads on that side so it can be even. Now that we have all the glass beads on this side of the bracelet, now it looks even. All right, you see that, dreamers? Now what we're going to do, we're about to get ready to add our lobster clasps. So we're going to take our elastic string, stick it through that small hole on the lobster clasp, and then once we get it on to the elastic string, we are going to tie a knot, and then we're going to stick it back through the hole on the lobster clasp and string it through the beads. Make sure, dreamers, you take your time and have patience because this is a new skill. So just make sure you take your time, press rewind, fast forward, how many times you like, and let me know down in the comments how everything turned out for you. So I strained the elastic string at least through 4 or 5 beads, just for more extra security. It's optional for you guys, but I will say at least 4 or 5. Now you see the lobster clasp is very secure, and we have them string the elastic string through 4 or 5 beads. Now we're going to work on the other side. We're going to put on this little crimp bead, I would like to call it, and then we're going to put the other, I guess you call it a clasp that you can close onto this side of the elastic string. And now you're going to tie 2 knots in the elastic string to secure, but that little crimp bead that we have on there is going to secure the elastic string as well. So we're going to smash it closed. Now that we have closed that side of the bracelet, we're going to cut off the elastic string, the excess, and make sure that, we don't have any strings out. So we're just going to trim that off, and then we're going to go on the other side where we string the elastic string through the beads and snip that off. And here you are, dreamers. We have our beautiful lobster clasp bracelet. Thanks for being here with me, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I see you guys later.